Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com, and I am up in the attic of my daughter's new home. And this giant room was created with prefabricated roof attic trusses. They have so many advantages, and I'm pretty sure you're going to consider using them in your next home or big remodeling job after watching this video. Roof trusses made in a climate-controlled factory are held together by special metal plates. They were invented in the 1950s and revolutionized the way roofs are framed. Today's modern computer software allows for just about any size and shape to be built using roof trusses. If you can dream it, the truss plant designer can likely make it a reality. Truss designs using special trusses even allow you to create a typical staircase leading up to the attic space. You might think that could only be done with one of the flimsy pull-down staircases that go in between two normal trusses. Roof trusses that span from one exterior wall to another eliminate the need for bearing walls. This gives lots of flexibility for a future change to the floor plan. You can design a truss so it allows more insulation in the attic, where the roof passes over the exterior wall. This will save you lots of money and can help prevent those wretched ice dams. This house is using attic trusses that create huge rooms inside the triangle shape of the truss. Attic trusses can be made at any of today's truss manufacturing facilities. You just need to ask for them. Cutting-edge technology helps create a truss design that's next to impossible for carpenters to create in the field using the same size lumber. Roof trusses are also very easy to install, requiring fewer skilled workers. As a result, the trusses go up really fast. The trusses on my daughter's home were installed in just one day. Houses built with trusses can get under roof faster, so your new home stays dry. You'll save money by getting the house finished faster too. Another benefit of manufactured roof trusses is they make the best use of all the raw materials, resulting in minimal waste of natural resources. You might have known about roof trusses, but my guess is you didn't know about the flexibility that attic trusses can provide. Guess what? You can even get storage trusses that create an open space in low-slope roofs. I would visit bestwaytoframe.com right now to discover more about roof trusses. If you want to know the best place closest to you to order your new storage or attic trusses, visit bestwaytoframe.com. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.